is all about long romantic evenings, beach vacations, and fun. And also the heat, sand sticking to your whole body, and constant thirst. In this video, you will learn how to handle a bunch of summer problems to make your life way easier this summer. For this idea, you need Elmer's glue and a thin brush. Dip the brush into the glue and draw a star on your skin. Now draw another smaller one. And another even smaller. Wait until the glue dries and go lie in the sun. Don't remove the glue. Tear it off only after you're done tanning. And just like that, with a simple movement, an ordinary glue pattern turns into an elegant tattoo! It looks amazing! And the best part is, you won't get in trouble for getting a tattoo! Photos on the beach are mandatory for any vacation. But everybody is tired of regular selfies. We have an idea! Take a friend and draw a pair of happy emojis on the sand. Stand to make them line up with your shadows. Take a photo. That's much better. I wonder how many likes a photo of sand people will get. On the beach, under the scorching sun, phones can overheat. Oh, it's so hot that I can't even hold it. But we have a life hack for that. You need a piece of foil and a makeup bag. Take wide double-sided tape, cut off 3 strips, and stick them inside the cosmetic bag, one to the bottom and one on each side. Remove the protective layer. Attach foil like this. Tuck the edges inside. Place your phone, keys, and other important things in it. The foil inside will save them from heat stroke. You finished your juice, but you still have the box. Here's an idea of how to use it. Take scissors and cut off one wall from it like this. Do the same with boxes of other sizes. Pour snacks in them. And now you have plates for the beach. They are comfortable and they don't take up a lot of space. And most importantly, you can fit many delicious items in them. Slime is a great toy to relieve stress. It's so relaxing to play with slime and stretch it. It's a shame that I can't use slime to clean sand off my bag after relaxing on the beach next to clumsy people. Or can I? Stretch the slime and apply it to the surface of the bag. Look! All the sand stuck to the slime, and there's none left on the bag. The scorching sun heats the sand along with your flip-flops. I can't wear those. It burns. To solve this problem, just turn the sandals upside down when you take them off. Now you can wear them without fear. Leaving the beach is so sad, but sadness quickly gives way to anger when it comes to shoes. Cleaning sand off your feet is so annoying, but not when you know our life hack. Take some baby powder. Sprinkle it on your feet. The powder absorbs moisture and the sand stops sticking. It just falls onto the ground. Now you can wear your shoes with no tingling or discomfort. We've never left the beach this easily and pleasantly before. A beach vacation has one big drawback. There's always a lot of sand in your hair afterwards, and washing it is not easy. To solve this issue, take a vacuum cleaner, remove the brush, turn on the minimum speed, and carefully move the tube over your hair. Vacuum the sand away. Wow! So simple and so effective! Strawberries, lemons, bananas? We'll tell you how to bring them together. Cut the strawberries into cubes, add the banana slices, and some apple juice. Blend them into an even mixture. Take disposable cups and fill them with the mixture. Then take a lemon slice, skewer it on a wooden stick, insert it in the cup instead of a lid, and put it in the freezer. When the sorbet freezes, Remove it from the freezer and carefully remove it from the cup. Do you like fruit and berry ice cream? Try this sorbet. Tasty, refreshing, natural. And now take big, beautiful strawberries and a bowl with chocolate. String the berry on a toothpick. Melt the chocolate over a water bath. When it reaches a smooth consistency, take the strawberries. Try to make the chocolate cover the berry evenly. Put the strawberries on the dish and cover them with sprinkles. Wait until the dessert freezes. Once the icing is dry, you can serve the treats at the table. People who think that strawberries and cream is the best dessert have never tasted strawberries and chocolate. It is super tasty and as Instagrammable as possible. For the next idea, you will need waffles and yogurt. Freeze a cup of yogurt. Once it's frozen, carefully remove it from the cup. Take waffles coated with jam. Cut off the pieces of yogurt with a sharp knife and place it on top of both halves of the waffles. Put together a sandwich and treat your friends with it. Food tastes better when you eat together. And for this idea, take a Ziploc bag. Pour a few ice cubes at the bottom. Add a little Sprite and a slice of lemon. Insert a straw. Close the bag. Your refreshing drink is ready. This is probably the most unusual glass that we've ever seen, but it's so convenient. How unfair! You ran into the sun for just a minute and your face is already covered with red sunspots. To take care of them, take loose leaf green tea, brew it, and put it in the fridge. You can drink the tea. You will only need the leaves for medicinal purposes. Lay them gently on your cheeks, forehead, and nose. You'll feel the relief immediately. Cold leaves neutralize the pain, and after some time, the tea compress relieves redness too. It is a magic remedy, and it works so fast! And now take plastic straws. Make small cuts in them and join them together. The result is a zigzag design. Now take ice molds and some glitter. Pour a little glitter in each cell. Fill them with water and freeze. Shiny ice crystals are ready. Now take a large container. Put a bottle of Coke in it and add the shiny ice. Insert a straw. Since the straw is long, you don't have to hold the cold container in your hands all the time or reach for it. Cold Coke on the table? You want to chase? A straw in your mouth? The vacation is a success! Do your new flats hurt your feet? That's a common issue. To save yourself from discomfort, take a wax candle. Rub the inner surface of the back of the shoe with it. Test it. Surprisingly, the pain is gone. Now they are as comfy as slippers. In summer, shoes can start smelling bad out of nowhere. And sometimes the smell is so strong that it seems impossible to deal with it. But we know that nothing is impossible. Take a couple of tea bags and put a tea bag in each shoe. You might be surprised, but this helps better than any other special means. Just try it! Did you like our life hacks? Which one seemed the most useful? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and click on the bell. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.